if you happen to just be browsing and you run into my channel, please like and subscribe. I'm Fergie, and to all FK again, welcome back. So today I'm going to be making a tropical smoothie, and here's my ingredients for today. I'll be using some coconut, frozen coconut, mango, pineapple, passion fruit, and dark cherry. That's my ingredients for today, guys. So here I have a cup of mangoes, nice and sweet. This is 1 cup of passion fruit, and I'm gonna go in with just a little pack of coconut, cup of cherries, frozen cherries, and a can of Dole pineapple juice. So guys, here is my tropical smoothie. I hope you guys enjoy. It's summertime. Have some smoothie. It is delicious. Thank you guys for tuning in today. Please remember, Fergie loves you. Bye-bye.